Hi, this is Raj Lakshmi Mohan, your Power Body Transformer. When you go for grocery shopping, do you pick up foods that have written low fat, low sugar? Does it happen with you that when you are eating food and someone tells you, hey, this is unhealthy, and then you tell them, no, but it is low fat? Does it happen with you? Let me tell you, foods that are labeled as low fat, low sugar, they are not low in fat and they are not low in sugar. So they are as unhealthy as the other foods that you know it is unhealthy for you. So why are low fat, low sugar unhealthy for you and they are not what it seems? Foods that are labeled as low sugar, they are high in fat. Foods that are labeled as low fat, they are high in sugar. Do you sometimes feel that when you have these foods like low fat, low sugar, you feel that it tastes good? Now, the reason why it is so, because they have something or a substance, a chemical substance called aspartame, because of which that increases, it is a chemical or an artificial sweetener, because of which even if it is low sugar or low fat, you feel the taste is good, and it is there is no difference if for example, if you have a food where it is not low fat, low sugar, okay, and it tastes good, okay, now you switch to foods because now you know that your health is in line, so now you switch on to a food or sweet which is mentioned as low fat, low sugar. And when you have them, you feel that, hey, the taste is not changed. The reason is because it has the chemical substance aspartame in it, because of which you feel that the taste hasn't gone. So keep in mind, low sugar is equal to high fat, low fat is equal to high sugar. So ultimately, they are not good for you. So just don't go for low fat, low sugar, like foods like cookies or pastries or sweets, okay, because they are not what it seems. Also, if you want to know how you can lose the weight in a practical way, you want to know what foods to eat and lose that weight and be more confident, click on the link below, fill in that form, leave your phone number, and you will have a Power Body session with me, okay, where I will take you step by step on what exercises and what food you need to eat to get that slim, fit and sexy body. Because let's face it, Power Body does not improve by chance, it improves by choice. Make the right choice. Take care.